Hello everyone, and in this video, I am going to unbox this 23D in scale Aston Martin DB5 from Solido. Let's take the car out now. Solido has also provided a door opener tool along with the car. Let's unscrew the car now. Now moving on to the car, the headlights are really well detailed and the grille looks really nice. There's the DB5 license plate as well. The Aston Martin logo is a decal and it looks really nice. If you look carefully, you can see that there's a Superleggera logo on the edge of the bonnet on both sides. The wheels look really nice and the spokes are really well detailed. You can see the brake disc and caliper behind the wheel from here. The tires also have the A1 branding on them. There's the instructions on locking and unlocking the wheel printed on the center lock. The wheels also roll freely. There's also the DB5 logo on the lower part of the front fender, which looks really nice. The bullet style wing mirror looks really nice and it also reflects really well. The door handle is also really well detailed. The rear wheel also rolls freely. Moving on to the back, the tail lamps are really well detailed and they look really nice. There's the same DB5 license plate as seen at the front. The Aston Martin logo on the boot also looks really nice. The DB5 logo on the boot lid is really well detailed. There's the antenna on the front fender and the windshield wipers also look really nice. Moving on to the interior, the dashboard is really well detailed. You can see all the gauges on the instrument cluster from here. And there's the wooden steering wheel with the logo in the middle, which is really well detailed. The steering wheel is also steerable. You can see the instrument cluster more clearly from here. The support brackets for the seats are also really well detailed. Moving on to the passenger side, you can see the dashboard more clearly from here. These are the back seats, which are also really well detailed. This is how they look like through the rear glass. This is the IRVM and it reflects really well, just like the wing mirrors, and you can also see the sun visors on the roof. The undercarriage is really well detailed and you can see most of the parts from here. You can see the lower part of the engine and the steering mechanism in action. The exhaust system is painted in silver and it looks really nice. The exhaust tips also look really nice. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.